Hey guys, this is Shinman. Welcome back to the A Square. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hack the box invite code. So without much wasting the time, let's get started.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So first of all, open the hack the box website here. All right. So it looks like this. So just click on individual or click on join button here. All right. So here you're showing that hack your code and enter it here. So what you have to done is you have to hack the invite code in order to log into their web page. So to do this, just press Ctrl Shift I. So open the inspect one here. So here click on cancel and write the function, that is function, and make the invite code. Here. So as you can see here, wait a minute. Okay, so here as you can see, some data is over here. So and it's saying that the encryption, that is ROT13. Okay, so before in the below of that they have given that the data is encrypted. We should probably check the encryption type in order to decrypt it. So let's decrypt the data. So they are saying that it's an ROT13. So let's search the Google ROT13 decode. And okay, we have got here ROT13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all those encrypted, like encoded message over there. So in order to decrypt the ROT13 format. So let me copy this. Yeah, we got it. That as you can see there, in order to generate an invite code, I'll make a post request, right? So let's make a post request. This is not the invite code actually. So they have decrypted it in ROT13 format. So now we have got that in order to generate the invite code, make a post request. So to do this, so let me switch to my Apache security OS. All right. So let me open my terminal. So let me create a post request. Okay. So to do this, so here, so what you have to do is just copy these links, okay, from here to here. Just copy it, just paste here. Okay, then what you have to do is just put a / and the house in, so this one, right, / API / invite / generate. Just copy that, just paste it here. So let me paste it. Okay, so as you can see that we got the code, that is saying the success and some data are there. So let me expand the terminal. Okay, so see there is another challenge that it's also encoded. Okay, it's not the invite code, it's already actually it's what encoded. So we have to again decode it. It's in the base64 format. So also again decode it. So I'm going to copy all those texts, and how to visit that base64 decoder, I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can visit that website and decode that code. So just paste the code, and as you can see that I have decoded, and that's the invite code, I think. So that's the file. This is the same thing or not. Paste and sign up. Boom. So we have got the invite code of the hack the box. So now what you have to do is just type your username, blah blah blah, and your email address and your password, and verify the captcha, and boom, you have registered. So thanks for watching, and meet you in the next video. Till there, bye bye, take care.